In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social post in Buffer with the AI assistant. Let's walk through the entire process so you can go from a blank idea to a polished caption that's ready to publish or schedule. Start by opening Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard. This is your home base for managing posts, where you'll see your queues and any upcoming content. From here, click the New Post button. This opens the post editor, where you'll build everything for your update. Next, select your social media channel. Choose the account where you want the content to appear. Picking the right channel up front ensures your caption and media are tailored to the platform's style and character limits. If your post needs visuals, upload your image or video now. Clear visuals can significantly boost engagement, so choose media that supports your message and looks great at the platform's recommended dimensions. Give the upload a moment to process before moving on. Now look to the top right inside the post editor and click AI Assistant. This tool helps you quickly generate caption ideas so you don't have to start from scratch. In the prompt field, enter your topic. Keep it specific so the output is relevant. For example, you might try sleeping tips, time management advice, or productivity habits. Feel free to include a tone, audience, or key points if that helps clarify what you want. Click Generate. Buffer will create a caption based on your prompt. In a few seconds, you'll see suggestions you can use as is or adapt to your brand voice. Review the AI-generated caption carefully. Make sure it's accurate, clear, and aligned with your goals. Edit the caption if needed, tighten the language, add or remove emojis, adjust the tone from casual to professional, include branded hashtags, or insert a relevant link. If you mentioned an image or video earlier, ensure the caption references it naturally and that the wording fits the platform's style. Once you're happy with the caption and media, decide how to publish. If you want it to go live right away, click Publish immediately. If you'd prefer it to post later, click Schedule Post and choose the date and time that best matches your audience's activity patterns. Scheduling helps you stay consistent without having to be online at the exact moment. And that's it. You've opened Buffer, created a new post, selected your channel, added media, used the AI assistant to generate a caption, refined it, and either scheduled or published your post.